Hi, welcome to my project Bazaar. We are going to view the exam hall seating allocation project. In an existing system, the client uses a MS Excel and maintains their record. However, it is not possible them to share the data from multiple systems in multiple user environment. There is a lot of duplicate work and chance of mistake. When the records are changed, they need to update each and every Excel file. There is no option to find and print the previous and saved. There is no security. Anybody can access any report and sensitive data. Also reports for the summary report. This seating arrangement system is used to overcome the entire problem which they are facing currently and making a complete automation of manual system to computerized system. This is the administrator module. Admin has to manage the staff and the student to enroll and view these details and manage the hall department subject details and allocate the seat for the student and view the allocation details. This is the admin data flow diagram. The admin has to log in to enroll and update the staff details, student details, allocation detail, hall details and department details and allocate the date of exam, session, hall number, in charge number, subjects with the department, student with the department and convert all the files into the PDF and send to the student. In the user model, the users are the student and can log in and see their details. The student has to log in to view the exam hall and seat number and they can receive the mail. This is the exam hall seating allocation login panel. In that, the admin has to enter the admin username and password. Click login button to view the administrator panel. In that, the admin has to change the password by clicking the change password button. Click Logout to log out the page. Click Staff Management to view the staff details. Click Enroll button to insert the staff by choosing the department staff name and the mail ID. In this, the admin has to update and log the staff details also. Click Student Management to view the student details. Click Enroll Student Details to insert the student. In this, the admin has to update and log the student details. Click Hall Management to view the hall details. Click Enroll Hall to insert the new hall details. Click Department Management to view the department details. Click Enroll button to add the department details. In that, the admin has update and log the details. Click Subject Management to insert the subject by department way. Click Allocation to put the seating allocations for the student. Enter the date of exam and then session. Session is morning or afternoon and then put a hall number. In charge number is to be viewed. The in charge number is the staff number to be entered by admin. The department is to be viewed. We choose the department and select the subject. The second department is to be viewed. The second subject is to be viewed. Click Generate to view the hall structure. Click plus icon to insert the department members, the student. Click Submit to insert the students. Click View Allocation to view the hall allocation details. In this, the exam date is to be displayed. In that, we can get a PDF format. Click Generate PDF to take the files in a PDF format. Click Logout to log out the page. For the student login, enter the student username and password. Click Login button to view the student panel. In that, we view the student profile details. Click Change Password to change the password for the student. Click Logout to log out the page. Click Subject Details to view the subject details. Click Exam Hall Details to view the exams to be specified for the student. Room number and then seat number to be displayed. Click Logout to log out the page. Thank you for watching this video.